All right, you have $30,000 and you're going to go buy a new car. Do you buy it? No. Now check this out. If you put that $30,000 in a CD, it's going to actually make you money. Now check this out, okay? So you're going to put your $30,000 in a CD, and then you're going to use that as collateral to go to the same bank and get a loan for $30,000. Now just wait. So the CD is going to pay you 4%, and you're going to have to pay 6% on the loan. So you're going to pay $704.55 for 4 years for the loan. But the CD is actually going to make you $5,096, and you're going to only have to pay an extra $3,818 back on the loan. So you're actually going to make money, and you have a brand new car in the entire process.